This video today is about how to verify and create a Solus Budgie Live USB from Ubuntu. Got the USB flash drive here. 8 GB, 4 GB, 2 GB is fine, 16 GB is fine. This guide here, you just have to do is we're gonna do. First, I'm gonna show how you all the links about all the information on this on here is gonna be on the video description and on my blogs. So first thing we're gonna do is to go to. I'm gonna close this. To go to the Budgie website here. So I'm gonna use as example here. I'm gonna use I'm gonna use the Solus Budgie, but there is 3 desktop environments to choose from: the GNOME or the Budgie. They are the one who created this desktop environment, the GNOME, and the Mate. So the recommended way to download, I recommend the torrent. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna save, use the torrent option here to download. So you click on the torrent here, and they're going to use a torrent client to download, and then you need to download the signature file and the public key. So you click here, and you click here. So you're gonna see here 2 files here. You click on to save it on the solus.gpg. You save it to the downloads folder. Save it to the download folder, and if you're not gonna use the torrent, you click here to download the. You have to click here to download the SHA-256 SAM tool. Click save on the downloads folder. So on the downloads folder, it's gonna look like this. On the downloads folder, it's gonna look. It will look like this. After you do that, what you're gonna do, after you do that, I don't know why this is taking time here too. Okay, now screenshot is what you wanna do. I will have this information here on the side here, on the YouTube video description. All this information is going to be there, and also on my blogs. What you're going to do, you're going to from the downloads folder, you right click and select open in terminal. On other GNU/Linux distribution, you select, you open the terminal and type cd space downloads, press enter. So what we're going to do now, we're going to verify the image from Linux, from GNU/Linux. What you're going to do, you're going to open the terminal and copy and paste each line and press enter. So what you're going to do, you're going to import the key, then press paste, press enter. Ikey Doherty, he's the Solus Project Founder. He's the one who created the Budgie desktop environment. So now we're gonna verify the Budgie SHA-256 the signature. You just copy and paste, press enter. It has to say here good signature from Ikey Doherty, and there is going to be here the primary key fingerprints is this one here. So I have this information right here. Now to verify the Solus Budgie ISO, is very simple to do it. The command they're going to use is SHA-256. But you just have to do is copy and paste. It says here solus-3-Budgie.iso. Just copy and rename the ISO here. If you use a different image, you have to do that. And then you're going to use this command here to verify. So if it's the GNOME, the Budgie GNOME desktop environment, it's going to be SHA-256, and then it's going to be Solus GNOME, and they're gonna end with the .iso here. So just copy and paste here. The results has to be in which you open the Solus Budgie Shadow 56, and the result has to be this one here. So let me copy the whole name here. Okay, so after do that, I'm gonna show how to verify from Windows, Mac OS X, BSD, any desktop browser that support HTML5. So what we're gonna do here, I'm gonna close this here because actually I'm gonna close this here. So you're gonna open. I have the link on the video description. It's gonna be. We're gonna use a website. I'm gonna save that. Okay, yeah, this website here is a secure website. It's called md5file.com calculator. So it can verify MD5, SHA-1, SHA-256, SHA-285, and SHA-512. So we verifying is a SHA-256. So what we're gonna do here, it says drop file here or click for select. So what you're gonna do here, you just have to do is click here. Then you go to the downloads folder or where you save the image. Then here with .iso. Click open. As you can see here, that's the name here, solus-3-Budgie.iso, and here is the size of the image, and it's gonna take is a 1.2 gigabyte. It's gonna take on my slow internet connection here. It's gonna take around between 6 to 10 minutes to have it done. In the meantime, you can use the software to do that from Windows, and the name of the software is called I tested on Windows 10, but it works on other version of Windows. It's very easy to use. It's very simple to use it. And to burn the DVD, to burn on Windows, to burn to create the live USB, use Rufus. This software is for Windows. We'll pause the video till it's finished. Okay, it's finished now. Start with 04, ends with the A1. So we have the terminal here. As you can see, everything is right here. Now I'm going to close this here. So I'm going to create on Ubuntu there is a software to create the live USB. So I'm going to connect my USB here, which has the Ubuntu live USB with Ubuntu. So I'm going to use I'm going to create my live DVD with Solus Budgie. So you already saw, show my SanDisk Cruise Blade on SDB. The size is 8 GB. So you just have to do now is click on Add. I have go to downloads or where you save the file, and then you see here Solus Budgie. Let me check something here. So I had to format the drive first. So I'm just going to create another partition here with the So I had to format the flash drive. So this is the flash drive. Now I'm going to open the software here, start up disk here. Now I'm going to select the image. There's a bug in this. Let me install another software here. I want to use one that's, I can use the terminal, but I want to make this to beginners. So let me pause this video. I'm going to use another software here. It's called Etcher. Just have to do is double click here to install. Okay, this software here is an open source software, and it works on Windows 2, and you can create a live USB and a live SD, macro SD with this software here. I believe you can even create a Windows 10 or Windows 8 or Windows 7, Windows XP with this software here. So anyway, you select the image here. Click open here. You already saw here. You already saw my flash drive here. Already find my flash drive. I don't know why the software from Ubuntu didn't work. So just have to do is click flash. Maybe because I need to use as a root software from Ubuntu, but it should ask for the password. So while it's creating the disk here, I will show the web page here. Okay, check out my YouTube channel here. The address, the name is right here, and check out the playlist. We will have a playlist with every GNU/Linux distribution there. So I'm gonna have a playlist of each one, and I will after I have all the operators installed on the computer, I will do some tutorials and review of the distros. Okay. Okay, if you like this video, please share, please like, and please subscribe to the channel. The next video is gonna be how to quad boot Solus Budgie, Windows 10, Dev1, and Ubuntu. And this is a UEFI guide. See you on the next video.